Here is a quick guide on how to make a simple menu in Godot. For main menu we need buttons. To create buttons, use this main node, and then click to add new child node. Now search for the button node. As you can see, button appeared in top left corner. Now scale it to make more visible. To make buttons more prettier, you can use this magnet which will show the lines. After placing the first button, use Ctrl D to duplicate your button, and then drag and position other buttons as you wish. Now you can add text to your buttons. Choose the button, and then at the right panel write some text. After that, you can center the text and make it larger by increasing font size. Now do this to other buttons. If we are gonna press play, we can see that we have a buttons in our menu. However, when you click to buttons, nothing happens. That's because we haven't wrote any functions to make it work. On the left corner, right-click to the project folder, and then create a new scene. This scene will be our future game. Let's add here some text by adding label node. Now let's write our first code to make buttons functional. To create script, press the main node, and then add new script. We don't need any of these functions, so you can delete everything except the first line. Now choose one button, and then on the right go to Nodes panel. There, you can find press function. Double-click it to add in script. For the start button, I want to make it to transfer player from the main menu to the game scene. Use getTree change scene to file function, and then add the game scene path. Now run the game, and check if this function works. As we can see, it did change scene from menu to our game. Now let's make another scene for the options menu. The plan is the same. We add a text options in scene, and then add exactly the same code for the second button, but changing the scene path from game to options. After testing button in play mode, we can now add final function to our exit button. It's really simple to make. Just add press node for third button and write this line to quit the game after pressing the button. And finally, our simple menu is working right. But if you want to have a way to get from the game to the main menu again, you can add new button in game scene, and then using the change scene code go back from the game to your menu. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.